Good evening and happy Republic Day to all of you. I am back after a while. Today, I thought on this very critical day, let me talk about being relevant. Being relevant means being more of an all-rounder. You're a bat and ball as well. Now there is one lesson which I thought I should share. That is, be right and choose. In choosing, one has to be right, and that will lay the foundation. And the second one, which follows, is again very critical. Be tight, don't lose. So these two simple objectives make a person who may be called as relevant. Now the issue is, if you look at your personal life, the first one, be right and choose, you will understand that there has been occasions, instances where you had to select. You had to select your friends, you had to select certain habits, you had to select between doing something and not doing something. And it is there, I feel, that has made a difference, which, if at all, exists today. Now, if you look at two words, one is stay and the other one is stray, there is a difference in one letter, and that is R. And there is a huge difference between staying and straying. We all know. Now that R may be lure for illicit revenue, maybe doing the wrong things at any point in time, being lured, and that makes a lot of difference. So, if the foundation is right, if you are right in choosing, it makes a lot of difference. Like if a bowler bowls right, he tends to engage the batsman, and a small mistake can earn him a wicket. And if the batsman chooses the right ball and leaves the stray ball which is going outside the stump or which the ball is wide, then retaining his wicket is achieved. So the issue is, in life there will be 3% to 5% balls which will be outside the stump. So one should understand and learn to avoid and not choose that. Because for everybody, no single formula works. What may be right for you may not be right for the other person. So one has to be quite prudent to choose. And the second thing is, be tight, not loose. One has to be very, very thoughtful, very, very calculative in communication, in implementation, and in endurance. Now let us come to brand sales. In brand sales, there are four basic things, four basic attributes that I would recommend as important. The first one is to understand consumer needs, and that is the basic foundation. The second very important understanding should be customer segments, because without that, our understanding will go wrong. The third most important critical factor is to understand the target markets. And then you will be bombing right. And fourth, last but not least, you have to understand the positioning of the brand, wherein you create a brand personality and match it with your consumer need, customer segment, and target market. So at the end of the day, it is quite simple. But one has to understand, one has to think, and one has to go forward in a very calculative manner, such that he remains Mr. Relevant in life, both in the personal life as well as the professional life. And in case, and there has to be 3 to 5% loose balls, so one has to learn to leave those balls and not attempt to bat every single ball in life. Friends, I will come back again and chat with you on some important deliberation in the next session. Till then, I leave you with this thought that one has to be Mr. Relevant in life. And being relevant is very, very important. Thanks a lot. Please continue to subscribe and encourage this endeavor on YouTube. Marketing Hughes was with you, is with you, and will be with you. Thanks a lot.